I'm Dr. Sharon Saline, author of What Your ADHD Child Wishes You Knew, working together to empower kids for success in school and life. For almost 30 years, I've been working with children, teens, college-age adults, and their families who are living with ADHD. I've helped them argue less and connect more. We want to, what I call, step up to the platform. You want to stand at the platform, look out at the valley, and see where you want to go, and make a plan for how you're going to traverse.
The frontal lobes are the directive capacities of the brain. They're like the film director. They tell different parts of the brain when to cue in and do their part.
I've seen firsthand how parents and kids miss each other's signals and wind up angry, frustrated, and disconnected.
Really important for these kids, if they come up with something that works for them, to do more of it.
I want to help you create practical, lasting solutions to the daily challenges of living with ADHD while nurturing the closeness that everybody desires. My 5 C's approach: self-control, compassion, collaboration, consistency, and celebration will teach you positive, strength-based ways to do more of what works.
The way that you build compassion is by listening. Listen. Listen to what their bodies are telling you, not so much their words.
Join me and learn how to manage effectively the daily ups and downs of living with ADHD. Build closer, calmer relationships and feel better about yourself too.